period number 2. Brendan Burke, Keith Jones, and Jackie Redmond with you from PNC Arena in Raleigh. A giveaway, an open net, they tap it home. Tara Vinen finishes it off, and it's 3-0.
Well, Jackie talked about how well that line has been playing. They've been keeping the puck out of their own net, and they've been creating offense. Kotkaniemi with the keep on the giveaway by the Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa's going to cough that puck up, and watch these 3 guys go to work. Beautiful pass across from Natchez, and it's right on the tape for a tap-in for Tara Vinen, who's got his 2nd goal of the game. Let's take a look at the AT&T 5G net cam. Tara Vinen taps it in, and that line creates a little more offense. Victor Hedman back for Tampa.